They will ask, what was it that took you to the hill? Ma salakakum fi saqar. What is it that you have reached the hill? Ma salakakum fi saqar. The four mistakes that man himself will admit there. The first mistake, a person will admit there himself, Lam naku minal musallin. We did not pray. Allah. And second is, Walam naku nut'imul miskin. We did not invite the poor to dinner. Whenever we had a function, we only called the rich, not to the poor. Allah. And third is, وَكُنَّا نَخُوضُ مَعَ الْخَائِضِينَ. Whenever we were sitting with people, we were only sitting with them who used to talk nonsense. That is, we did not like to talk or listen well. Fourth, وَكُنَّا نُكَذِّبُ بِيَوْمِ الدِّينِ. Allah. And the questions to be answered on the day of judgment, day of Qiyamah, we thought it was lie. Allah. That is, we used to read about it, we used to listen about it, but did not believe. That means we did not fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we do as please.